pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Pythons. I'm Noah Gonzalez reporting to you live from the Boys Championship soccer game. Let's see how it went.
It's amazing because it's not one person or the people that score, it's a whole team. It's a process that we've been having since day one. We had our goals to meet. We met every single one of them, and the attitude was always positive. It was never cockiness, the thinking that they already got it. They all knew that we have to play one game at a time, and it just feels great. I mean, last year it slipped out of our hands, and this year we got it. They earned it, they worked hard, and it's just an amazing feeling.
Boys Championship soccer game? It's the master class, it was just class after class after class. Marco, wagata, 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 boom, done. You pass it to Anthony, wagata, 1, 2, and then Angel right there to finish, boom, golazo.
It felt great. Everything was led up to this moment to win this game. Everything was.
Let's go, Daniel!
This is the greatest moment of my whole entire life. I love everyone. I love Marco. I love Angel. I love Daniel. I love everybody. This is the best moment. Oh my God.
Wow, that was truly amazing and a work of art. For Python TV, I'm Noah Gonzalez reporting.
1, 2, 3, 5,